Hey you guys, it's Theo here again. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Mr. Limpy Packer in the size, I think it's extra small, or small depending on which company you get, which website you get it from. So here's the Packer. I'm going to be rating it in a few different types of categories. Looks, and I guess how realistic it is, how comfortable it is, um, the affordability, and then I'm gonna do like an overall. Okay, so this is what the Packer looks like. Sorry it's a little dusty right now. I just dusted it and cleaned it. Like if you look, there's like a few details, like a couple of veins and things like that. This is the darkest color, and I'm not like super dark, and it's really light for me. The balls are a little bit too big. But like for the price, it's really good for like what you're getting. The other thing about it is all like one color. Like there's no color detailing on it. But the Packer's only like $12, so what do you expect, you know? Overall, for looks, I give it a 5. It's just like, I guess run of the mill, not bad, but not like great either. For how it feels, I'm gonna give it a 7, because it's pretty comfortable. When you wear it, you gotta make sure to powder it, or else it's gonna like put a grease stain in your underwear, which no one wants. I usually just wear it in my pants. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It just puts like a little bit of something in your pants. It's like nothing too crazy, nothing where it's gonna like look like you have a boner or anything. Yeah, it's comfortable, pretty just average. So yeah, overall for like how comfortable it is, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Just because of that, the greasiness factor makes it to where like, sometimes I don't have time to like powder my Packer, and I just want to go out, and the greasiness becomes an issue. Okay, and then the affordability. So from where I got this from, this Packer was only I think $12. I got it from the Early to Bed website using Chase Ross's offer code, or promo code. And I also, it was also like a couple of dollars for shipping and handling. But I don't think you're gonna really find any Packer that's this good at a cheaper price. So for the price, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. That's about all. So looks, it's like a 5 out of 10, just average. 7 out of 10 for how comfortable it is and how it is like in the pants, and a 10 out of 10 for the a 10 out of 10 for the affordability. Yeah, so overall I give this Packer a 7.5. If you're just looking for something to get the job done and something that's cheap, I say the Mr. Limpy is for you. If you're looking for something that's like a little bit more realistic, or a little bit more comfortable, I suggest maybe a Real Magic or something. I haven't actually tried those out, but from what I've seen, they look really good. But if you're on a budget, Mr. Limpy's right for you. Alright, well, I'll have another video for you guys up next week, and I'll see you later. Bye.